here?
Yep, I started it. Part 2 of the bees.
Sacred Honey Hive Farms 2024. Sorry. Yeah. No, it's almost empty. We're eating a lot. Sorry, I squished one. There's the queen. She's looking good. See her in there?
Yep, looks good.
So tomorrow we should take that cork out and give them the marshmallow. And this little clip to put on here. Keep it down this time because the other one fell off right away. Just take that off tomorrow. What are you doing? Baby. All right. Can't believe it just fall out.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if someone was shaking you in a box.
Sorry.
Yeah, making them angry.
Yeah, you can hear the different tone, huh?
Yeah.